With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is two exactly identical pendulum are executing SHMs, that is simple harmonic motion with amplitude A and NA respectively. Calculate the ratio of their energies of the oscillation here. So we have to find the ratio here. So the solution of this question is, we have the energy formula is for the oscillation is half m omega square, and this is in multiplication with a square, where omega is angular frequency and amplitude is A is amplitude here. So from this we can write here E1 is equals to half m omega square, and this is amplitude 1, as they are identical, so their frequency must be equal, and here we have energy 2 is half m omega square and amplitude 2 square. So on dividing 1 by 2, so divide 1 and 2 here, so we get E1 divided by E2 is equals to amplitude 1 square plus amplitude 2 square. Here we have the amplitude 1 is A and amplitude 2 is NA. So from this we can say that amplitude 1 divided by amplitude 2 is equals to A square, and this is N square and A square here. So this and this cancel out here. So we left with energy 1 ratio with energy 2 is equals to 1 divided by N square. So this is our answer here for this question. The ratio of E1 and E2 is the ratio of energy for the two identical. So this is for two identical pendulum executing amplitude A and this. So this is for two identical pendulums. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.